Hey guys, so I got myself a traffic hazard triangle. This is a reflector triangle that's pretty useful for a lot of purposes. I actually use it to put on my driveway or on my street when I'm working on the trees, so it can ward traffic away that I'm actually working on the side of the road. It's also good to probably put one or two in the car, and it comes in a little case too, because this basically doesn't require batteries or anything. It's just a reflector. It does feel kind of flimsy though, but at the same time, it has good visibility all the way down the road. There's no lights, there's no LEDs, there's nothing. It's just basically reflectors, so it requires headlights to actually see this thing. So it's good. It's pretty high visibility, and also it folds out, so it's stable. This bottom part is full of sand, so it's pretty useful, and it won't blow away, which is nice. But it does feel kind of flimsy. It does fit three of these into one of the cases that when it comes in. So overall, it feels flimsy, but at the same time, it doesn't require batteries, and it lasts more than 15 minutes, like my other road flares do. Anyways, guys, hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.